Hey everyone, I'm Brian.
And I'm Nikki.
And we are Cooking with the Kodas. I'm a finance guy with barely any cooking experience.
And I'm a registered dietitian with professional culinary training.
And together, we're going to teach me and you how to cook in the kitchen. Today, we are making almond butter for you.
If you enjoy almond butter, you know that sometimes it can be expensive in the stores. So we want to show you a way that you can make it at home and tailor it to your specific taste preferences.
And it's going to be cheaper.
So you see there's only a couple ingredients. We have almonds and salt. You can add, some sweetness to this if you want to add maple syrup or honey, some cinnamon, chocolate, whatever you want. But we're just showing you a basic one today, and again, you can tailor it to your likeness.
So first, we are going to take our almonds and put them along a baking sheet.
So we're going to put these almonds in a preheated oven at 325 degrees for about 15 minutes. All right, they're out of the oven, and we're going to add them to our food processor and get this butter going. All right, so we're going to pulse this a couple times with the food processor. We're going to add our salt, and then we're going to blend it until it's nice and smooth.
All right, so we are blended and it looks like almond butter.
Good, I'm glad. So we're just gonna transfer this into a mason jar and add it to the fridge. Let it cool. It'll set a little bit more, so it'll be a little thicker. It'll be perfect to spread on your favorite slice of toast, add to your smoothie. Put in the energy balls that we have. You can check the link in our description below to find that recipe. Lots of good opportunities with this almond butter. So as you can see, this is super simple to make and cost effective. So we hope that you try this at home and let us know how it turns out.
Thanks again for watching.
Thanks for tuning into today's episode. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our page if you haven't already, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss a single episode.